Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong Mini 2. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Let's enter camera, and as you can see right here, we've got only two modes in the main screen of the camera. We've got picture and video. So we can take a normal picture, we can zoom 4 times, turn off flashlight, set it automatic or turn it on. We can enable or disable HDR and change to front camera. Then in video mode we can basically only take video, zoom in, but not zoom out. Also we can enable or disable flashlight. Also we got normal modes, and settings. In settings we can change scene mode, we can enable or disable microphone, change video quality, set white balance, and enable or disable Autoflicker, anti-flicker. And for normal picture settings, we can also change scene mode, set self-timer, change picture size, enable or disable ZSD, shutter sound, change white balance, and enable or disable anti-flicker. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.